is Abhirami from grade 5th DMI St. Joseph Matriculation School. I would like to speak a few words about palaces in Tamil Nadu. Thirumalai Nayagar Palace. The majestic Thirumalai Nayagar Palace has a 17th century architecture of Nayagar dynasty. It is one of the most popular palaces in South India. The Thirumalai Nayagar Palace was located in city of Madurai. Tanjavur Maratha Palace. Tanjavur Maratha Palace is properly called as Tanjavur Aranmanai. Tanjavur Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the ruler of Tanjavur Nayagar Kingdom. Padmanabhapuram Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace was a beautiful historical monument that is situated at Padmanabhapuram, Kanyakumari district. It is also known as Kalkulam Palace. Thank you.